2 years ago, AI was a party trick. A chatbot that could write your emails. A generator that could fake a sunset. That was cute. That's over. In 2026, AI writes code that ships to production. It builds entire marketing campaigns overnight. It trains on your data and learns your voice better than your assistant does. The era didn't just arrive, it took over. And here's what nobody's saying out loud. Most people are still running 2024 playbooks in a 2026 world. Same prompts, same workflows, same tools that peaked 18 months ago. That gap between what AI can do now and what most people are actually doing with it, that's where the money is. That's where the edge lives. Here's what changed. The barrier to entry collapsed. Completely. Anyone with a laptop and a Wi-Fi connection can spin up an AI workflow in an afternoon. Sounds great, right? It's not. Because when everyone has access to the same tools, the floor rises, but so does the noise. Your competitor isn't the person who can't use AI, it's the person who uses it better than you do. The market is drowning in AI-generated content that all looks the same, sounds the same, feels the same. Generic thumbnails, cookie-cutter scripts, voiceovers that scream, "A robot wrote this." That's the real problem in 2026. The tools got cheaper. Quality didn't get easier. If anything, standing out costs more effort now, because you're not competing against humans anymore. You're competing against every human with a machine.
If you want to stay ahead of the curve, you're in the right place. This is Automated Pulse, and we're just getting started. If this helped you find your pulse in the AI age, hit like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.